Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our topic is exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3, question norm 25. Lecture norm 39, SW norm 38. Okay, dear student, first you read the questions. A piece of ornament is made by mixing bronze, zinc and silver. In that piece of ornament, the ratio of bronze and zinc is 1:2. Look, bronze and zinc 1:2, and the ratio of zinc and silver, you see zinc and silver is 3:5. The weight of the ornament is 190 grams. A number, determine the ratio of bronze, zinc and silver. B number, determine the weight of bronze, zinc and silver in the ornament separately. C number, what weight of the zinc can be mixed in the ornament so that the ratio of bronze and zinc will be 1:3. Dear student, at first I will solve the question number A. Given that the bronze and zinc, okay, right here, bronze is to zinc, equal to 1:2, and the ratio of zinc and silver, zinc is to silver, zinc is to silver is 3:5. 3:5. Now you see here zinc is 2 and here also zinc is 3. So you may confused. So as a result you have to multiply these two ratios by 3. Similarly, you multiply these ratios by 2. Okay, look. If we multiply this ratio by 3, then we get 3 and 6. Similarly, if we multiply this ratio by 2, then we get 6 and we get 10. That means we can write bronze, zinc is to silver. You see bronze now 3, right here 3, and zinc here also 6 and here also 6, right here 6, and silver is 10. Okay, dear student, you see now a number question, determine the ratio of bronze, zinc and silver. Okay, so this is our result. Now I will solve the B number question. Student, you notice the B number question, determine the weight of bronze, zinc and silver in the ornament separately. Okay, right? Given that the weight of the ornament is 190 grams. From A, we got, what we got? Bronze, is to zinc is to silver equal to what? Bronze 3, zinc 6 and silver is 10. Therefore write sum of the ratios equal to what? 3 plus 6 plus 10. This is equal to what? 19. Okay. Now we have to determine the amount of bronze, zinc and silver. Okay, right. Now the amount of the first one, amount of bronze, look, bronze is 3. Okay, right. The amount of bronze is, you see, bronze is 3 by 19 of 190 grams. Okay. If you divide 190 by 19, then you get 10. And 10 into 3 equal to 30 grams. Okay. Now the amount of zinc is, at first you write 19, that means the sum of the ratios. Then you see zinc. The zinc is 6, right here 6 of 190 grams. This is equal to what? You divide 190 by 19, then you get 10. 10 into 6 equal to 60 gram. Now the amount of silver, the amount of silver is, you see, the silver is 10 by 19 of 190 grams. This is equal to what? You see, you divide 190 by 19, then we get 10 into 100 equal to 100. Dear student, you observe here, if you adding this, that means 100 into 100 plus 60 plus 30, then you get 190 grams. Okay? Now you write the answer. Zinc, at first you write the bronze. 30 grams. Then the zinc 60 grams. And the silver 100 grams. Okay, dear student, B number finished. Now again you read the question. C number, you read the question. Read the question again. Look, what weight of zinc can be mixed in the ornament so that the ratio of bronze and zinc, you see here, the ratio of bronze and the ratio of zinc is 1:3. That means what amount? That means what amount of zinc you have to mix so that the ratio of bronze and zinc will be 1:3. Okay. Okay, dear student. Now I will solve the question number C number. You see the question number bronze and zinc. So we need what is the amount of bronze and zinc. At first you write from B we got what we got the bronze. You see the bronze 30 grams, the amount of bronze the amount of bronze is 30 grams. Right here 30 grams. And the amount of zinc is 60 gram. Okay, we have given this information from B. Now question, what amount of zinc you have to be mixed in the ornament so that your ratio will be 1:3. Okay, let X, what weight of zinc? Let X gram of zinc can be mixed X gram of zinc can be mixed in the ornament so that the ratio of bronze and zinc will be what? Will be 1:3. Just when you look here, this is the bronze and this is the zinc. Okay, this is bronze and this is the zinc. So we have got a bronze 30 grams and zinc is 60 grams. Okay, right, as per condition bronze by zinc, right here, bronze by zinc equal to what? Bronze 1 and the zinc 3. Dear student, remember that 1:3 and 1/3 they are the same. Okay, 1:3 and 1/3 they represent the same meaning. Okay, now right here you see bronze. How many amount of bronze? Bronze is 30 grams. Right here 30 grams. And zinc, how much? Zinc is, you see, zinc is 60 gram. Zinc is 60 gram. Okay, but what is our condition? You see, the amount of bronze is ato, and the amount of zinc is ato. But what is the question? Question: what amount of zinc can be mixed in the ornament so that their ratio of bronze and zinc will be 1:3? Look, that means zinc is 60 grams. So you have to mix X gram. Then your ratio will be 1:3. That means you have to add 60 plus x. That means you have to add x with 60. Then we get the ratio 1 by 3. Okay? Now you have to multiply. That means the cross multiplication 60 into 1. That means 60 plus x. 30 into 3. This is equal to what? 90. Okay? Now x equal to what? 90 minus 60. Therefore x equal to 30. Okay? Now write the answer. The required mixed amount of zinc is 30 gram. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood. Now I want to talk with you about our SW topic. You see, SW number 38, exercise 2.3, question number 26, page 42. Okay, page number 42. Remember that this question is very important for you. Okay, dear student, your assigned SW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your city marks, diary marks and SBA marks. You have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and you collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these SW copies. Dear student, no more today. You have to keep practicing at home and abide by your times. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.